Oh my God, what is that? It's beautiful.
Bringing the snowstorm in, minus the cold. If you're not covered in snow and glitter, are you even making snowstorm candles? Yes, you're right. This is just all part of the prep, getting ready to make these candles. Lots of light and a really, really amazing glow. Glitter, snow, you in? It looks really good on you, but you know what? It also looks really, really good on these candles while they're burning. A day in the life of a snowstorm candle. There you go. We fully immerse ourselves while we make these candles. We have glitter everywhere. We got snowstorm everywhere. We are 100% committed to giving you the best.